Hi, I'm Kim DiNardo. I'm a Senior Area Sales Manager, and today I'm going to be talking about how to demonstrate the QTX sound masking system. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the QTX Direct Field system. Demo cell sound masking. Historically, we have a 75 to 80% close rate for in-person demos. The demo serves as a tool to educate people on sound masking, as many may lack a comprehensive understanding of the concept. For the sound masking demonstration, we'll ideally want a conference room that holds 8 to 10 people for a controlled environment, even though usually sound masking is not placed in the conference room. You'll want to place the demo kit between the door and the listeners. We never want the listeners to be closer to the door than they are to the sound masking. Inside the kit, we have 2 standard emitters. We also have 2 active emitters. We have the QTX controller. We also have a volume control knob to adjust the volume for the standard emitters. We have an auxiliary stereo jack, and we also have a little toggle on-off switch to demonstrate the sound masking. Hello, and welcome to our Cambridge QTX sound masking demo. My name is Kim, and I'll be your presenter today. Thank you for joining me to learn more about our innovative sound masking technology. The sound masking is on, so you can hear how natural and subtle it is. Now I'd like to demonstrate the effectiveness of our sound masking technology. I've asked John to step outside the room to read. With the sound masking on, you may hear John talking, but you shouldn't make out every word that he's saying. I'm then going to shut the sound masking off, and you should clearly understand every word that John is saying.
Engineered to protect confidentiality and reduce distractions by reducing the intelligence.
I can tell the difference. I can understand every word that John is saying.
This is the benefit of sound masking. Even though you can hear him talking and you can't make out every word he's saying, conversations are less distracting and you have more speech privacy. I'm now going to demonstrate the music capabilities of the QT active emitters.